As a content creator here on YouTube, I have a busy schedule. I spent a lot of time on the computer, writing scripts, watching video references as well, and checking emails. And then it's the admin side, which involves a lot of phone calls, Zoom calls, and all that kind of stuff.
For the last week or so, I've been using the new Nokia T20 that's durable and comes loaded with a lot of tools that help boost productivity as well as my work-life balance. With a 10.4-inch size, it fits in perfectly in my backpack, and it's durable too, so I don't have to worry about just dropping it in my bag with other items ready for the road. If you've used Nokia phones before, you'll know how durable they are, so having the same design philosophy in a tablet form fills me with confidence. The front is finished in toughened glass, meaning I can tap away and not worry about cracking or scratching it.
With remote working on the rise, having a capable tablet device that still allows me to get my work done when I'm out and about is essential.
For example, I have Zoom and Microsoft Teams installed for taking meetings on the go using its big bright display at up to 400 nits and its front 5-megapixel camera. Clients can hear me clearly thanks to that 2 built-in microphones. Usually I work on a desktop computer, meaning I'm glued to my desk, but with the Nokia T20, I can take the experience outside of the studio and work anywhere around the building. Sometimes the best ideas come with a change of scenery. With a 10.4-inch display with 2K resolution, I can see every detail of my work, create presentations when I'm pitching for a new work, and when I decide to take some time out to game or just catch up on the latest TV series, the display is perfect for binge watching endless series and streaming sports. Thanks to its fast internet connectivity, I often download some of my favorite TV series, save them as I have up to 64 gigabytes of built-in storage, and I can watch the downloaded content on the bus on the way home.
The Nokia T20 is such a powerful device with up to 4 gigabytes of RAM depending on which version you go for, with an octa-core processor to match.
For me though, that means I can run multiple applications simultaneously with no hiccups. I can switch easily from Adobe Lightroom to my calendar and even have multiple browsing tabs open and not have any issues at all. It also means when I'm gaming, I have a smooth and immersive experience, making the Nokia T20 a great tool for work and play.
With great power comes great responsibility, and with all the power that's packed into the Nokia T20, it has plenty of battery life to power my work and play all day long with no issues.
With an 8,200 mAh battery, I can have up to 7 hours of video calls or spend all day browsing the web. I often use the Nokia T20 as a reference screen when I'm editing videos as well, so what I would do is go back to my editing notes on the tablet and remind myself of points of references when I'm editing. It also means I can take it anywhere with me and not worry about running out of battery. When I do need to recharge it though, it offers fast charging so I can be ready for the day ahead. I get sent a lot of YouTube videos in my friendship groups, and I'd sit down and watch them on the Nokia T20. And with its stereo speakers packed with Ozo playback panorama, I can be fully immersed in the video, and if I'm just listening to my favorite tune on Spotify, I get the same immersive experience. It's also great for Zoom meetings as I can hear my client's voice with clarity. One of my favorite things to do is fly my drone. And once I fly my drone, I can easily take the micro SD card out and pop it straight into the Nokia T20, fire up Adobe Lightroom and begin to edit my work, or even show my clients some of the footage as captured. With any connected devices I have, security is very important. And with the Nokia T20, I get 2 years of operating system upgrades and 3 years of monthly security updates. So not only do I stay secured, but my device stays sharp, and I get all the latest upgrades as and when they're released. I get to see a lot of devices before release, so having a secure device is very important to me.
All these amazing features for just £179 for the Wi-Fi version, and if you want an LTE version, that is £199. Over to you though, what do you think? Would you buy one? Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you have any questions, drop them there as well. I'll leave all relevant links in the description area so you guys can check them out as well. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.